Chemicals and Chemical Changes, Class 7th, Chapter 4, 4th part. Children, in the previous video, we have discussed about atomicity and valency. Now you know the valency of the different elements. Now the topic is writing a chemical formula. How can we write a chemical formula? Now let us understand how we can determine the chemical formula of a simple compound which consisting of two elements. The first step is write the chemical symbol of the element that form the compound. First, in the compound, whatever elements are present, we write the symbol of these elements. There are generally two elements. Second step is write the valency of each element below its chemical symbol. In the second step, we write the valency of the element. Now the third step, it is important, crisscross the valency and write as subscript to the right of the chemical symbol. To the right side of the chemical symbol, we have to crisscross the valency and write as a subscript. Now the fourth step is, if both valency are either identical or equal to 1, then ignore. Otherwise, simplify the valency by dividing with a common factor. If they can be divided by common factor, then divide the valency or reduce them into a lowest term. In this way, you can write the chemical formula. Table 4.4, it helps you to understand to write chemical formula of some compound. Chemical formula of carbon dioxide. Now carbon dioxide, it contains carbon and oxygen. So first we write the symbol of carbon C on oxygen O. Now in the step 2 we write the valency. Carbon valency is 4 and oxygen valency is 2. Now in the third step we crisscross the valency and write as a subscript on the right hand side of the symbol of the element. Now in the step 3, our formula is C2O4. C2O4, 2 and 4, these are the two valency. Now in the fourth step, we simplify the valency by dividing with common factor 2, and hence the chemical formula of carbon dioxide, this is CO2. CO2 is the chemical formula. Now chemical formula of hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride, the elements are hydrogen and chlorine. Valency of hydrogen is 1, chlorine valency is also 1. In the third step, we crisscross the valency and write the formula H1Cl1. Now here both are having 1, so valency 1 can be ignored. So the chemical formula of hydrogen chloride is HCl. Now in the table 4.5, some common compounds and their chemical formulae are given. For example, first oxide, carbon dioxide, formula is CO2. Magnesium oxide, formula is MgO. Nitrogen oxide, NO2. Sodium oxide, Na2O. Zinc oxide, ZnO. Chlorides, aluminum chloride, AlCl3. Calcium chloride, CaCl2. Hydrogen chloride, HCl. Magnesium chloride, MgCl2. Now hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH whole twice. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Now sulfate, copper sulfate, CuSO4. Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Carbonates, calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Potassium carbonate, K2CO3. Nitrates, magnesium nitrate, MgNO3 whole twice. Potassium nitrate, KNO3. Now children, we have to write chemical formulae for the following compound. Sodium carbonate. Now for sodium carbonate, formula is Na2CO3. Copper sulfate, its formula is CuSO4. Magnesium oxide, MgO. Aluminum chloride, AlCl3. Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH whole twice. potassium nitrate, KNO3. Now the B part of the knowledge check. Write the name of the compound represented by the following chemical formulae. Children, the first radical, it is named first, CaCl2. It is calcium chloride. K2SO4, it is potassium sulfate. NO2, it is nitrogen dioxide. CaCO3, calcium carbonate. HCl, hydrogen chloride. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Children, in naming chemical formula or writing chemical formula, some radicals, so they are written as polyatomic ion like carbonate, sulfate, hydroxide, etc.